Good morning, everyone. I hope all of you will be well. And it's day 4 of grinding on X, and I'll put the screenshot over here for the stats. And yesterday was actually a good day in terms of the growth on X. And let me just pull up my analytics. So I believe we touched some 2,800. No, not 2,800. 280 verified followers. Oh, right now we have 278. I'll screenshot this, and obviously you would be seeing this by now. And for the impressions on the third day, it kind of went parabolic, 4,731. And today you see with momentum already. When I was sleeping, we got 581. So today the plan is to get it even higher up. So right now I'm gonna work with all my heart, and then we'll see about this in the break. So see you there. Okay everyone, so it's our break time and we are going to a traditional Magha to have tea. So Rashid, how was your day? It was good? Very busy, right? Yeah, our first half of the days, they are like super busy. We are extremely occupied, and as we continue on with our day, then it starts to ease a bit, but not always. Anyways, we are headed to have our tea, so we'll show you the scenes over there. So here we go. Look at the tea. Well, the aroma is actually quite intriguing and it seems tasteful. So while we were at the traditional coffee shop, the internet wasn't working inside, so I was working on editing the episode for day 3, which happened to be yesterday. And that's the thing, you have to hustle, you have to grind, you have to make use of your time, whatever you have available at hand. So that was the scheme. Right now it's the second half of our day for our job, and we are gonna go there and, well, do our work wholeheartedly, inshallah.
Brad Gilbert says his game is the opposite of mine. He's a junker. Most entertaining characters in the book. They invite him to dinner.
Okay guys, so it's later in the day and I'm at the gym cycling for now. But well, the thing is that I've been also keeping an eye on my X account. I'll put the stats over here. We are halfway to the impressions that we had yesterday, and the follower count is also increasing. But well, I've realized that I need to step up the game, maybe work on some AI automation or make use of AI to actually also like increase the boost that my account gets, or like not like as an increase, but like putting myself more out there. I need to work on that, and also to make meaningful content. There's only so much that I can do. I have to take help of AI. So that's the plan, and I'm looking at N8N. It helps you make automations and all that, so I'll look into it later. But for now, at the gym right now, doing cardio, and then I'll go upstairs for the exercise. So while I was at gym, something interesting happened. I was checking my other phone and I came across the old screenshots that I took when one of my accounts was monetized back in 2024. So well, it was a very good time, and I'll put these screenshots over here. But well, if I had kept up the pace, maybe possibly things would have been different by now. I would have the bigger account, but well, like I told in the earlier episodes, that account got demonetized because of like spamming a little bit more. But anyways, this time around we are doing it carefully, safely and sustainably. So now guys, I'm leaving from the gym, and well, the plan is that I'm going to my friend Nadeem. And with Nadeem, the plan is to make videos for his channel. His channel is doing really good. He guides people on how to come to Saudi Arabia the right way, and how to find a job here and all that. So I'll put the stats for his channel over here, and other than that, I'll be shooting content for my channel, my X account as well. and what I'm posting on X, it also goes to Facebook. So I have an automation with this tool, very good tool, repurpose.io. I'll link it down in the comments. And that's the plan. And we also will have dinner. He has had, but I'll have dinner from one shawarma shop. It was actually pretty good, so gonna go there now. So well, I just came back to the Fitness Time gym, and the internet here was quite good, so I had to upload one video. It was several GBs, and I recorded the streets when I was coming to the gym from work. It was like 1 hour long video, and I posted on my Street View channel. I'll show you the stats with the screenshot over here, and it's also growing, but anyways, the focus is on X. Now from here I'll upload the video, and it will save me time and also data. That is important. So because at home I have unlimited data, so when I'll be out with Nadeem, so I'll have to use the mobile data, and that the videos that I record on DJI Osmo Pocket 3, they are like pretty heavy. So since I already connected my laptop at one Fitness Time gym, so it connected here again, you see, by default. So I came to my friend after the gym, and I'm with my friend Nadeem. Nadeem,
Assalamualaikum.
awesome. How was your day?
Alhamdulillah, fine.
Yeah. So the thing is, right now it's 1:23 a.m. and we decided to make some videos, but actually we had to go to a gathering of a few friends. So well, we couldn't work on neither his videos nor mine. But the thing is that this is life. It isn't all about work and all. You have to also manage your social life as well. So that's where we were busy for the past several hours, and right now we are looking to see if we can make one video for Nadeem. And in the meanwhile, I also ordered food from this shawarma shop you see over there, Lavna Shawarma, and I'm waiting for my order. And if we have to record a video for Nadeem, the time is now while it's being prepared. So that's the situation, and I'll go home. Tomorrow my day is off. I'll try to, well, do more work on X tonight, so we can see good results in the morning.